Today I am very much excited to talk to you about how to nurture your young baby's brain. First we need to know how amazing a baby's brain is, because a baby is born with 86 billion neurons and each neuron has a potential to make about 15,000 connections if given adequate environmental input, which meant lot of connections have been taking place in the baby's brain at lightning speed, you can call it. That is, the baby develops about 700 connections every second. Each time when you smile and the baby smiles, 700 connections are formed. Each time you touch your child, 700 connections are formed. So a lot of changes takes place in the young child's brain. That's why we call the beginning years as a golden window of opportunity to develop the baby's brain. Second is how the brain connections are happening. So there are two types of wiring that takes place when the baby's brain is developing. One is experience expectant wiring. That is, this is a bare minimum experiences we have to provide to a developing brain for it to develop the basic connections. Like for example, the child should be able to see a bright object, child should be able to listen to sounds, and these circuits will get strengthened. Not only hearing, vision, even touch, smell, all those things the baby requires some amount of input. So that I think we need to keep in mind. That is, exposure to first language will come under experience expectant neuroplasticity. The second type is called as experience dependent wiring. That is, here over and above what you provide, if you provide extra stimulus to the baby's brain, it will develop even better. That is, you can call it extra enrichment. That is, you are exposing the baby to a second language, the baby will be able to adapt. If you are exposing a young child to music, then the baby's circuits will get strengthened. That is, if you provide influences in a positive manner over and above the bare minimum, that will also strengthen the circuits.